Let's get our lash from basic to body using just Cluster Lash. Hi, my name is Jennifer and I'm going to be showing you how I transform my lashes using only Cluster Lash. By the way, I got this off of Temu in case you're wondering. So for this lash set, we're going to be using this piece of lash, a bonding glue, a tweezer and a brush. First thing I like to do definitely is brush up my lashes just so that they're arranged and there's like even space for me to place the Cluster Lash. Yep, just do that for both eyes and then we're ready. Because we're going for cat eye design, I'm going to be starting off with 16. So what I do is I use 316, 414 and then 212s. Sometimes I do 316, 314 and then 312s, but for this I use 316, 414, 212s. I'm going to take the glue, place it exactly on the lash where I'm going to be putting on my eye, and then I'm going to put that in one after the other, and then as I go I press in just to make sure that it's sitting really nicely. As you top off one, you need to press. As you top off one, you need to press. That way it's gonna make sure that it's sitting tightly, not moving, not falling off. Also, one thing that I like to do as well is take my brush and then brush the lash from inside out, just to be sure that nothing is falling off. That way you know if it's sitting right or if it's not sitting right. If you have to brush again, keep brushing as you go, keep brushing. Now repeat these steps for all the numbers that you're going to be applying on your eyes. Guys, I carry this lash for 3 to 4 days because I don't like lashes on, so I like to pull them off as the day goes by. And yeah, you're good to go. Let me know if this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye.